So now that you have your end cap assembled, be it out of wood or the less expensive way of manufacturing out of cardboard that I've shown, you can assemble the tube. So in our case, we're sliding the plug in, and we're taking the light meter. Be careful on this part not to touch this, and make sure that your optics are clean at all times. And this fits snugly into place. Now, this is very important that both the end cap and the sensor fit snugly and are not going to shift during the tests, nor will they allow light to intrude from any of the perimeter. So now we are set up with our light meter to take lumen maintenance measurements. So I'm going to show you how to use the tube photometer that you have the instructions to build. Here we have the setup that was made at the Schatz Energy Research Center with the wooden plug at the end. When we use the light meter for the tube photometer, we set it to the max function, which is done by pressing the max button. Now in this setting, the light meter only records the highest illuminance level that has been sensed at the end of the tube. I'll give you an example with this light source. You can see it's only recording high values, and when I pull the light source away, it stays at its highest recorded value. To reset the maximum value, you hit max once, and to clear it out of the max function, then hit it again, and you're set to record the maximum illuminance value. So now we'll switch to showing how to measure the illuminance from your light source. So what's important here is, first of all, to see what the magnitude of the lux is measured on the light meter. Now, if you zoom in, you can see that we're at 6.3 lux, which indicates that I need to exit out of the max function value and change the range so that it is from the 0 to 20 range. That way we have more digits of precision. So now I will hit the max function again, and we will record the maximum illuminance value with this light source, and this is done by rotating, changing the angles in relation to the tube. Now this process continues until the operator is sure that no larger illuminance value will be measured by the light meter. So if you're zoomed in, you can see that no matter what adjustments I make to the light source, we're staying at 6.31 lux. And this would be the value that I record for this measurement. I'd like to show you a different type of light source. As you know, we'll encounter different types of light distributions and different sizes of lights. So, for example, on this product, the test operator needs to determine what part of the light source is going to come in contact with the open end of the tube. Now, it's important here to select a side or region of the light source that can be easily repeated. In this instance, I'm going to choose this bottom flat surface here because it mates well with the tube. It's possible that this could also be done, but I think repeatability would be a little bit more difficult. So again, I will shine the light into the tube, and if you go to the light meter, we're seeing that it's beyond the 20 lux range. So I need to exit out of the max function and change the range from 0 to 200 lux. Now I'm going to hit the max function again, and I will continue the measurements. Now in this case, since if you'll come to the light source, since it mates so well with the open end of the tube, the only adjustments I'm making are rotational. So I'm making all of these adjustments and monitoring the light meter to make sure that I'm finding that maximum illuminance value. Now I've rotated 360 degrees and we're at 34.2 lux, which is the value that would be recorded for this measurement.